Now, I've been waiting a long while to get my hands on these Bakey TS100 TWS earphones. These are the brand new graffiti versions that come with that graffiti-like design on the charge case. They do come in this black and gold colour choice and also come in a white and rose colour version too. Outside the box, they are specified as having the latest 5.0 Bluetooth technology. They have between 2 to 4 hours music playback time, a charge time of up to 1 to 2 hours, with a Bluetooth distance up to 10 meters. Now these caught my attention upon the Banggood website. I did pay around £14 for these TS100s, that's around 18 in US dollars. But because they have an unusual and classy looking design, will they actually have the sound that matches? Well, let's find out. So, inside the box, we do get some black plastic protective packaging. We do have the charge case embedded central. Let's just move it to the side for now. But underneath, we get a very minimal instruction user guide. We do also have very welcomed average sized Type-C USB charge cable. So yes, it seems we've got fast charging. We have one set of large and one set of small replaceable silicone ear tips. Let's take it out. And so unlike the depictive image up on the Banggood website of this charge case, which actually looks a lot glossier than this one, as you can see, this one certainly looks a lot better. It comes with this nice matte black material which feels very soft. It's got that tied graffiti design, which is hand painted. So it's got a matching gold lid, which is indeed magnetic. We have an LED indicator which is central to the front, a USB Type-C to the bottom, and this charge case has a 400 mAh battery. Again, opening up the lid, look at the earphones embedded. Let's just take them out. You have those embedded sockets with the dual charge pins to the bottom, and we also have an embedded lid too, which should keep your earphones from rattling around too much when in your pocket. Because it is quite compact when it's in your pocket, it certainly doesn't look too bulky. So taking these TS100 earphones out, they should automatically go into pairing mode. Turn Bluetooth on your device, search and select TS100, go ahead and select it. You will indeed get a pairing request on screen, select OK, and these earphones should now be connected. Now these Bakey TS100s can be used singular or binaural, but just like the charge case, both earphones are hand painted in Tide. So as you can see, we've got that gold looking design to the sides, with quite a nice matte black ABS plastic finish, with a gloss black ring detail around the function buttons. Both are already fitted with medium sized ear tips, so that's 3 sets of ear tips in total, but we're going to quickly change them over to the larger size, as having the correct size ear tips is very important, not only for sound seal, but to have the best music listening experience. Internally, we do have those 13mm driver units. They do have an ergonomic design which should fit right into your ears very easily. Both of these earphones do have dual microphones to the bottom, LED indicators to the top, and those, yes, physical type function buttons. So no touch controls with these particular earphones today. Now trying these earphones in, I must say that they were extremely comfortable. Again, with that ergonomic design, they really fit snug into place, and they didn't feel like they was going to fall out anytime soon. Okay, sound seal from the outside world, without music being played, isn't really fantastic, but when it comes to the audio, woo! So the sound seal on these earphones when the music is playing, I can't actually hear what I'm saying just now, so it's not too bad actually. Let me just pause it. So, when it comes to the audio, the bass with these earphones is not too bad. I can see just a slight bit punchy, but not punchy enough. I like a bit more of a thump with the bass. Obviously, you don't want them to be over-exaggerated like some budget earphones try to do by banging in a lot of bass just to cover all the mixed up crappy tones. But when it comes to the triple with these earphones, Again, I don't think it's powerful enough. Don't get me wrong, they're not bad, they're quite average. It's just sort of lacking something. I'm not saying that the audio quality is tinny. It's actually kind of crisp and clear. So yeah, you're certainly get hi-fi quality sound. These Graffiti TS100s. And another thing is, the polarity between both drivers is actually spot on. So when it comes to the audio, I think the audio is just about above average. When you do first place these within your ears and press play, you do get that initial shock where you think, whoa, the sound, the audio. But when you start leveling yourself off and start listening to different genres of music, you really do take in the audio quality. And you can clearly hear that there's just a lack of your thump and energy. But when it came to that functionality, with these physical type multifunction buttons to the side, they do respond real good. So when you press them once, they'll play, pause, and pressing once within a call acts as your call answering button. Press twice on either ear to turn the volume up or to turn the volume down. To skip to the previous or next track selections, press 3 times. And if you hold just for a second, you've also got that Alexa voice assistant. Alexa, why did it call you Alexa?
My name comes from the Library of Alexandria, which stored the knowledge of the ancient world.
Now yes, the audio was a bit soft for my liking. I have used these over the past couple of days at work and at home, and I must say, I managed to get around 2 hours 40 minutes out of a full charge using 100% volume. When it comes to that Bluetooth distance, we got to around 11 meters away from our device before these earphones disconnected. These earphones never fell out once in the time I've been using them. But yeah, they would be good for running or fitness, or if you just basically want to chill at home. Wasn't no random disconnections. And if I was to rate these Bakey Graffiti TS100 TWS earphones today, well, you know what? For the look, I've got to give a full 10 out of 10. Both the charge case and earphones look rather fascinating. Comfortability, a full 10 out of 10 also. Once these earphones were in my ears again, they wasn't too sweaty, and my ears never felt hot, not even once. When it comes to voice calls was quite clear, very fine in fact. Connectivity, there wasn't any random disconnections when it comes to that Bluetooth transmission. Functionality, another 10 out of 10. All those presses on those physical type multifunction buttons all corresponded to their functions. But when it comes to the audio, I must say, I think they're just above average sounding. And today, I've got to give them a 7 out of 10. Well guys, if you want to go and check these earphones out just now, I have left a handy link in the video description down below. Yeah, go ahead and check them out. I can certainly recommend them for that price. And if you go over there and like what you see, well, go get yours. I hope this review helped today, and it would be mighty fine if you go ahead and please smash that like button. Please subscribe, making sure, yes, you hit that bell notification option, so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. I hope to see you guys on my very next review coming very soon. We're testing out some very unique style TWS earphones this week, so stay tuned for that. And well, thanks for watching.
Peace.